here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hi guys, hope you all are having a beautiful morning, lovely afternoon or wonderful evening. My name is Victoria Nzelibe. If you are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're my returning subscriber, you know as they go now, waiting they happen, nothing they pass. It's that time again for another interior decor video, and this time around is an office interior decor. I am getting ready to leave the house, but before that I like to pack my tools just in case. The last time taught me a big lesson. This time you have to be prepared. Your handyman might disappoint you, might not come with the right tool. This is the office. This is everything I have to arrange. As you can see, everything is here. Where to start from? So I'm going to try and figure out what I am doing, where I am placing things. And yeah, this chair is big. It's very big, but it's very comfortable too.
Friends are life lessons. Fake friends are just courses. Games. Sit back, relax with no traces. It's all about the game time, then it's game time. Then you know how hard that I go. Steady, I've been dropping just deep lyrics. Pure white, a little black, red bandana. The squad multiplies, Dangote's content. So many goons, some be acting funny, cause they feel that they got the money.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Akunye. I'm the CEO of View Accounting. I am loving this place. I knew that to get this beauty I would need to call my friend Victoria. So girl, thank you so much. I like women, encouraging other women, and this just really feels great. I want to be able to tell my story, my beginner story, knowing that he was part of it, and I really appreciate it. And this place is going to come to absolute life tomorrow, and I cannot wait.
I can't wait too. Thank you.
Love you.
Love you. Thank you. Today is the third day, and I really want to finish today. I'm really looking forward to finishing today, and it's just one office space. I'm just going to, start working because it's late and Mama needs to go home and feed her husband. So let's get this started, and I hope you enjoy watching this video.
This sounds art amazing.
This will actually make a very good YouTube background. I am so happy that I am done with this. I'm so proud of myself. This is very professional. It looks wonderful. I have never had to decorate an office before, but this is my first time and I exceeded my own expectations. I showed you some affirmations on the wall, some certifications on the wall, so that makes this person the right candidate for her job. And she's a financial consultant, a tax preparer. She offers financial services, so to say.
I love it. It's fresh. It's soft. It's sophisticated. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I feel like work is going to get even smoother because this is good. Girl, we need to monetize you more. Because, girl, like, I can't be wasting this kind of talent. No. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're amazing, Victoria.
you.
Thanks.
I can't stop smiling. My cheek is paining me now.
Guys, look what she did. So of course she can't stop smiling.
Thank you
She
so
outdid
much.
herself this time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.